It is predicted that the world population is going to touch 10 billion by 2030. Do you ever wonder how are we going to provide energy or electricity to so many people? In this video, I have one prediction which might solve this problem. So in no way I claim to be the expert in energy or its distribution. But as an engineer, I can't stop thinking about what can be. So here are my problems with the current model of energy distribution. As an engineer, I know, or I have been educated, that as the source of energy and the distance between the source of energy and its consumption, as it increases, the losses increases. So, it's evident that if you see when we pump liquids or gases, the farther the pump, the higher the friction losses. Or in case of the current electric distribution or electricity distribution, the farther the electric generation plant or electric thermal plant or nuclear plant, the more the losses in the distribution are. We think, or the solution that is being provided right now is the renewable sources of energy like solar and wind. But if we consider the population explosion or the rate at which the world population is increasing, it is predicted that we will be around 10 billion people by 2030. And most of this population is going to stay in cities, around 60% of those. So if we consider the number of people to whom we need to give energy, wind and solar cannot be the solution simply because they require a lot of space themselves. So powering the cities with solar or wind cannot be a scalable option. In my opinion, one of the viable solutions, and it is not being tested, I'm not promoting it, I'm just giving this as an idea. I think in the future, we will see, or engineers, if they put their brains together, they can make this happen safely, is by having a small nuclear reactor inside your house. Imagine that you have a small nuclear reactor inside your flat or house or your apartment or your bungalow. And whatever energy you require, you're producing right there and then. There will be no pollution, there won't be any distribution losses, there won't be any power cuts as well. And you or the individual will be responsible for maintaining that. Yes, it is a tricky subject and an emotive one. It won't happen immediately. But certainly this can be a line of thinking that I'm sure many people or engineers might be already thinking over it. This is just what came to my mind. If somebody is interested in, I'll be very happy if somebody watches this video and gets inspired and finds a solution like that. But certainly if somebody has to find a solution on this problem, it will be found by an engineer. It cannot be anybody else. This is the power of engineering.